Hello guys, we are going to solve this problem today. It's a PEMDAS question again. This is parentheses, this is exponents, this is multiplication, this one is division, this one addition, and this one subtraction. Okay, so yeah, another important point is if we have multiplication and division, the order is left to right. For example, 8 divided by 2 cross 3, it is left to right. 8 divided by 2, it's 4, and 4 times 3, it's 12. And if we have just addition and subtraction, again, the order is left to right. What does it mean? It means that 8 minus 2 plus 5 is left to right because of this point. 8 minus 2, it's 6, plus 5, it's 11. Okay. And then if we want to solve this one, so look at here, we have division, parentheses, and addition. Okay, first we solve here. It's 4 times 2, and here. And when we have this, we have to know these points. When we have multiplication and division, the order is from left to right. You can't just do, this is 8 divided by 8, it's 1. It's wrong. The right answer is 8 over 2 and multiplied by 4. It's 4 times 4. It's 16.